Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my fire safety classes. This is a continuous education system I have planned for giving a safety oriented subject. All of you know that I have already given 10 videos on general safety awareness. Now I have also given 19 video on basic fire safety awareness. So today is my 20th class. Here is a very important class is today, that is how we can prevent fire in our areas. So how we can prevent fire in our areas, because this is where basic fire safety classes. Last class I had mentioned you what is a fire warden and its responsibility. This I have mentioned. So today we will learn something more about the fire prevention. Our main topic, our main areas is there, in lookout is there, how we can prevent fire in our area. On that point we will discuss today, and I hope that this will be helpful for us. And fire safety is a prime responsibility for everybody. It cannot be achieved with one single person. So if you got some ideas of the basic fire safety awareness or basic, we can prevent fire in our own area. So that many fire incidents are happening due to carelessness or not proper checking or any other thing that we can discuss. And now how in our area we can become a safe regarding the fire, that we will check it. Okay, last class I have discussed about the fire warden. Who is a fire warden? You know him. He is a responsible person appointed in the high-rise building or any other area in order to evacuate the fire, in order to avoid the prevention of fire, and he has to act as a leader in case for evacuating the people and prevention of a fire. This is what in a high-rise building many people are living. Such type of building we are using for fire warden. But normally in other type of house we may not have any security, or only people are living there. How there we can prevent fire? These things we have to know it. For that purpose our class is there. So what are the fire prevention area? Let us take in our own houses. So what are the fire area we have to be concentrated? Where are the fire places can occur? All of you know that one is a kitchen area. Kitchen is one of the most important area. Fire can occur at any time. At any time is mainly cooking times mainly, or even we are not having some carelessness. If gas is just kept open, people used to come and just switch on the light, then fire can occur there. So some careful we have to take. So that's a type of kitchen where we can take, we can prevent it. Then another area is a storage area. Storage, many things we are keeping there also, the fire chances are high. Then another area is there in the workshop, any other type of thing, that cutting, building, etc. doing. Like this way many area fire can be occurring. Electricity when you are using, because of the multiple so many sockets we are using, and over current or overloading the socket, that may be happening. So let us take one by one. Kitchen, what are the way we can find out it? One, if you are cooking in a kitchen, you have to be concentrating that cooking only. In between you should not engage with any other job. Normally many people, particularly housewife, I am not telling everybody, they used to have any cooking, and at that time meanwhile somebody got a mobile, immediately their attention is diverting to speaking to mobile. Or sometimes what they are used to do is here cooking and going and seeing the TV, or taking the mobile and watching some other WhatsApp or another thing. So such type of activity we have to stop. That means entire time whenever you are cooking, concentrate on the cooking job, you should be in a cooking mode. Otherwise, if you are just switch on the cooking and going and seeing the TV or any other thing, what will happen? Here cooking is going on. Ultimately, the whatever the utensils also getting heated up, and a big fire can also happen there. So concentrate on cooking job, whatever the job which you are doing here. Then another one is that particularly the deep fry and other thing. if any oil is there is a chance of getting oil overheated. In case of any oil overheating is happened there, you should never pour water in the oil, so that will become a very big fire. So in order to avoid that thing, what to do, just keep the close with a lid or cover, or if you are having a fire blanket, you can use that fire blanket or a cover. So such type of fire we can avoid it. Then another one is the leakage of a, if you are using a gas, there is a possibility of leakage. So in case of any leakage or smell is there, immediately switch off all the equipments and have a full ventilation. The ventilation system you have to, that means the windows and doors should be kept out, and that's whatever that kitchen cylinder is there, that you kept it off condition. Regulator you should keep it off condition, and a regular checkup must be taken by the authorized person for any regulator or any hose, even some rat and other thing maybe come there and just scratches and leakage can happen there. So whenever any smell such a thing is happen, you have to check thoroughly the system. And another point is there, multi-socket pins. In one socket you are using so many pin, multi-pin, that we have to avoid it. Whether it's a sparking or arcing is there, particularly in the kitchen. So if any leakage or anything is there, that can catch a fire. Then another important point is there, whenever any, as I have last time explained, that any cockroach or any type of celebration, if we are using any cockroach spray or in our body spray, they have to see that there is a flammable type of materials. In case of any type of flammable materials, you see the symbol, that should not never use in a near flame area. All of you know, either in the candle flame or in the cooking flame, that can catch fire very easily. So that also you have to be take care. Similarly, unwanted type of materials like good housekeeping, you have to keep it. Flammable materials and also the cooking type of this other type of materials should not be keep it in the same way. It should be in a separate portion only. That flame, whatever the flammable type material is, like kerosene or even some petrol or diesel, something you brought it for cleaning, or even some other type of liquid is there, a flame paint, you should not keep along with the combustible type of materials. And it should not be never in the heating area also. Sparking area or any other type of area is there, that you have to separate it. All the flammable type materials should be kept in a tight condition, and lid should be very tightly. In case of it, the container also just or the bottle or something will fell down, you should not get spread it. That way you have to think that. So this type of action we have to take it. Similarly, in type of workshop and other thing, when you go there, suppose somebody is doing a welding job and other thing, you should petrol tank or petrol vehicles and other thing, that should be completely empty. Then only that welding or any cutting of jobs, and that is called port work. So special permission should be given, such precautions should be taken, such conditions only that type of job should be taken in case of any building or in workshop people that are there. So these are some of the precautions we can take. House, another house important thing is there, that is many houses during Diwali or any other places, crackers used to keep it inside the house. That should be completely avoided. And no, the children should not be given crackers with their own way to play it. Somebody is supervising with the knowledgeable person should supervise it, then only it should be allowed to play with the crackers or fireworks properly. As far as possible, if it is avoided, that will be always better, because a multi-story buildings and other thing, a small spark is sufficient to begin it all this thing. So, but if it is required, if with the supervision of people only, this has to be done. So if the fire prevention is everybody's responsibility. So if we are take care of the things, definitely we can prevent a fire, unwanted fire incidents. Many things are happening in most of the days. Also, you can see that recently also in Serum Institute, 5% for the fire occurred and 5% lost their life. Such a thing should not be happened in our buildings or our ways. So everybody should take care about the fire safety prevention method, and also have some knowledge on this point of view. I am taking these classes, and I want to tell you that This class is a fire safety class. I'm just going to finish now. I will be coming with some other topic in next videos. So if you like this class, you share it and also subscribe it. And wishing all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safe day. Thank you to everybody for watching my video, and you can expect for some more videos on regarding the safety subject. Thank you so much.